Hello viewers, welcome to this session. I am going to talk about the challenge of our time by E. M. Foster. The challenge of our time by E. M. Foster is a mind blowing essay in the form of talk that he gave or delivered in a seminar. This essay discusses the challenge of our time, the challenge that our time throws up. But before I talk about the contents of the essay, the subject matter of the essay, let me talk about the author first. Edward Moran Foster, to put short, E. M. Foster, was born on the first year day, means 1st January 1879 at Marylebone, London, England. He died on 7th June 1970 at Coventry, United Kingdom. E. M. Foster got education in King's College, Oxford, King's College, Cambridge, London. He was a very unfortunate child because his father died when E. M. Foster was merely 1.5 years age. His childhood life was very poor and miserable. However, he managed to get education. When he entered university, the university education brought about a change in the attitude and outlook of E. M. Foster. He joined a Bloomsbury group. It is a group of intellectuals, writers, who write on burning issues that concern human beings in the modern times. Bloomsbury was named after the name of the neighborhood in London. It is a locality of London. E. M. Foster was deeply influenced by many writers and individuals. He was under deep influence of Jane Austen, D. H. Lawrence, Joseph Conrad, Herman Melville, Samuel Butler, and others. E. M. Foster wrote 5 important novels. 5 novels out of them, 4 novels are very important. He was a great British fiction writer. E.M. Forster wrote A Room with a View in 1908. He penned Howard's End in 1910. He wrote Where Angels Fear to Tread in 1905. He authored A Passage to India in 1924 after his visit to India. E.M. Forster was a liberalist. He visited India thrice. He came to India for the first time in 1912 and he stayed from 1912 to 1913. His second visit to India took place in 1920 and his third visit was made in 1945 when he came to participate in a conference at Jaipur in India. E.M. Forster has vividly expressed about Indian people and India in his interesting work, India Again. E.M. Forster was not only a British fiction writer, he was also a great essayist, a critic, and great modern writer. Now let me talk about the present essay, The Challenge of Our Time. It is a very interesting essay which is in the form of a talk given in a seminar. In the essay, E.M. Forster talks about the challenge of our time. In the early years of the 20th century, the writers and the artists were greatly upset over the growing influence of science and technology, which was being affected by growing trends of political control. The two world wars that took place by the middle of the century confirmed their fears. Naturally, they expressed their anxieties over this in many seminars